Want a $50,000 head start on Amazon? The 2026 new seller incentives are insane. Now, remember, starting as a seller, I did not get all these incentives, and I'm sure you didn't either. So if you're looking at this and you're about to start on Amazon, this is the time, right? New seller incentives over $50,000 in value. And yes, as a seller, when you first start, as of right now, this is real. Get started with over $50,000 in incentives. And we're looking, if you start your own brand, you start your own brand, right? You're selling this gum, but instead of extra, you put your own brand name on it. You get 10% back on your first $50,000 in branded sales. Then 5% back through your first year until you reach $1 million. What this means is it's very hard to lose. It's very hard. If your product is decent, it's very hard to lose on Amazon. Not only that, you get $200 in credit for Amazon buying. That means you get pretty much free reviews, free real reviews on your product. $100 off shipments, $200 credit towards fulfillment, free storage, and customer returns. That's unheard of. Okay, this is insane. 10% off fulfillment costs, $1,000 free Amazon advertising spend, $50 in credit. No words can say how amazing this is. And I am very, very happy for Amazon. I wish they promoted this more because I'm sure a lot of sellers don't even know about it. And they've got an overview video. They're pretty much, what is new seller guide? They've got this guide that's saying that you're going to succeed within your first 90 days if you follow this special guide. All right. So I've never seen the guide. It looks pretty legit. I'm down, right? New seller sponsored products promotion. Now, not only, so I told you about the $1,000 for Amazon ads, but not only that, new sellers also get matched. So it's like buy one, get one free. Spend $50, get $50. Spend 200, get 200. Spend 1,000, get 1,000. So you're probably doubling everything. Now your incentives are doubling. This is official. I'm looking at like so many. I'm like, no way this is real. Yes, it's real. It's still real, right? They even have a whole guide of the incentives. Really pushing this. Learn how to enroll in Brand Registry, how to send inventory, how to use the Amazon global logistics, right? If you're shipping from a different country. And it's just, at the end of the day, it's very hard to lose if you know Amazon, if you learn Amazon. But all of this is most likely overwhelming for a lot of sellers. So what you want to do is try to find somebody that's done it before, that is successful. Look at their numbers, need some proof. Work with them, because if you do this right, you're going to hit a home run on Amazon your first year. And if you need any help on Amazon, not only are we consultants, but we also manage accounts. You can feel free to reach us in the link below. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.